Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a haul for you, and today's haul is going to be a homeware haul. So I've got a few bits to show you from Zara Home, from Primark Home, from Anthropologie and from Flying Tiger. I'm amazed that there's no H&M Home to show you, but there isn't. So before we get into it, if you're new here, do click subscribe. I post weekly videos. 50% of you that are watching these haven't subscribed. So if you haven't done so already, please do. It just means that you'll never miss a video. And also you can create playlists to watch later then, which I find really handy. If I spy a video in my subscription box that I want to watch but haven't got time to, I'll click the watch later. I'll have a nice little playlist to watch when I'm doing something at home. I often watch the YouTube when I'm doing things like cleaning, or sometimes I'll watch it actually when I'm in the bath. It's just nice to pop on. I'd like to know as well, when you watch YouTube, do you actually watch? I mean, I guess for a haul you probably would have to see the bits, or do you just have it on in the background? I'm curious to know, yeah, what do you do when you're watching YouTube? Do you just watch it, or are you up to something else? Are you doing the ironing or something like that? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm curious to know, yeah, where you watch it, what you watch it on. Do you watch it on your phone? Are you watching it on a laptop? Some people watch YouTube on the TV, which blows my mind. In fact, I'm not going to think about anybody watching. I'm going to get giant scared and it's all going to get weird. Oh, I'm sweating now. I've got this new jumper on from, do you remember this one? Did you see the celebrity outfit challenge that I did? So this was the one that I tried to copy Eddie Redmayne's style, and this one was £1 from Primark. I'm just talking nonsense now because I've gone weird, because there's people watching. I'm not going to think about it. Yes, have we done give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it bit? I can't remember. I want to carry on as well. I don't want to edit this video, so we'll just keep going. We'll pretend none of that happened, and we'll pretend it's normal. Let's have a sip of the coffee, and then we'll get straight into this before I talk any more nonsense at you. I do apologise, I don't know what's happening. Where are we? What are we doing? Oh yeah, a homeware haul. Okay, should we just get into it? It's gone weird. The first thing that I've got to show you is from Flying Tiger. I absolutely love that store. They've always got new things in. They seem to get loads of stuff in. I think it's some crazy amount of new stuff they get in every week. So there's always something new in store. I had a look around and actually posted all the bits that I saw on my Instagram, so do feel free to pop over there and see my favourite pics of what's new in store in Flying Tiger. It's Mr. Carrington Home. I picked up one item. I've been very restrained recently, and this is it. I thought this was such a good buy. This is a lampshade / flower pot, so you can actually use it for either of those things. So let me show you how it works. It's on this little wooden stand, and then it's got the it's got the little hole in it and that is obviously good if you want to pop the lamp in there. So I guess you can put in one of those lights on a wire. I would double check that, because obviously with health and safety and fires and stuff, maybe like an LED one that you can get would sit in there quite nicely. Or you can do what I'm going to do and just use it as a plant pot. And it's good because you can put a deep plant in there, or if you've got a shallow one, you could flip it over and just pop it in that part, which would make it sit slightly prouder at the top. So let me show you the plant I'm going to put in it. I've got a fake one here that's also from Tiger. It's one of these trailing ones, so I thought that would go in there quite nicely. And then it stands like that. You could paint this bit as well, I guess, if you wanted to, but I quite like the natural bamboo effect. And there we have it. So yeah, I thought it was quite a nice piece, decent size, and also something that you could maybe put some things into if you didn't want to use it as a plant pot, and be a nice bit of storage. You could maybe put like a jar inside it, potentially like an old candle jar you could pop in there, and then use it for pens or makeup brushes or that sort of thing. So yeah, £3. I thought that was fab. On to the next thing. That's all I got in Flying Tiger. I also went to Primark Home recently. They've got some brilliant stuff in store. I'm going to link the Come Shop With Me video in the description box. Had loads of fun in there with Luke. We went completely bonkers, did an outfit challenge and swooned over a lot of nice pieces in the homeware section. Particularly the kind of rattan trend that's come in at the moment. They had some really nice furniture pieces, including some bedside tables that I thought was such an incredible bargain. I think they were £18. I don't know why I said 19. You know when you think, how does your brain actually work sometimes? £18, not that it was a big difference, but yeah. Anyway, the thing that I picked up in store is this mirror. I'll just show you the box first so you can get an idea of how big the box is. The lady actually said to me, would you like a bag? Can you imagine using one of those paper Primark bags with this box? I don't think you'd get very far. And this is it. You can see that my the tulips could do with changing, but I'm not sure what else to reflect. Maybe we'll just do the ceiling. The mirror itself is made out of kind of like bamboo sticks, and yeah, just really nice design. I thought this was so cool. I actually DIY'd one of these. If you want to have a go at making your own, I made one from a Poundland mirror and some bamboo skewers. That video I'll link in the description box for you. It's from a couple of years ago, so don't judge. But yes, this I just thought was brilliant, and this will be going into my kitchen. Now the kitchen makeover is on its way, I promise you. It's just taking a little bit more time to edit because essentially the clips span about 3 months. It's taken a long time to get all the stuff sorted, so it's on its way. It'll be coming very soon, so I really hope you enjoy it when it does. Should be up very soon, actually. On to Anthropologie now. Anthropologie had a good sale on, and I picked up some bits online. I got these 2 candles. I really liked the glass containers that these came in, which caught my attention. So I've got this one, which is kind of like this greeny colour, and it's got really nice design going on, and also a lid. These were £26, and these were down to £7, and this one smells like Christmas trees, which is one of my favourite scents for a candle. And then I got another one, which is this yellow colour. I've already burnt this one a bit. I've had it up in the bathroom. And again, it's got the really nice glass container that I thought potentially I'll probably save that afterwards and put some things in there. And again, this was 26 down to £7. And this one smells really fresh. I don't actually remember what the scent is, but it smells incredible. And it's been burning really nicely. I'll just show you the lids close up together like that. They look really cool, don't they? It'd be quite nice to do something with those perhaps afterwards. Any ideas? Kind of make quite nice little coasters almost. Or, I'm thinking maybe they could be like little saucers for plant pots, potentially. Maybe I'll just plant some plants in the containers. We could go that way, I guess. You could always drill a hole in the base if you're brave enough. You can get drills, can't you, that go into glass. And then the last thing that I've got to show you is from Zara Home. They had a really good sale on it as well. And I picked up these cushion covers. I've got 2 of these. These were originally, I think they were £49. Where's the, yeah. £49 down to £15. They're huge, and they've got really nice textures going on, which is what drew my eye to them. So they've got right the way through from like this Hessian material to this wool, and then you've got chunky wool going on. You've got some really nice detail here, and yeah, and then it repeats again. And then you've also got the tassels on the side. So I just thought that was such a nice piece. The back is quite plain and simple, just really nice canvas with the zip through the centre, not the centre, the top section. And yeah, I just thought really nice quality for $15.99, really nice like standout piece. So I got 2 because I thought they'd either look quite good on the sofa either side, or I've also got 2 chairs in the living room, or potentially on the bed either side. So there's loads of options for them. Not exactly sure where I'm going to put them yet. But yeah, just couldn't resist them. And I thought if I didn't use them as cushion covers, which I probably will be, you could always use that as a little mat as well. It'd be quite a nice bath mat. You could just lay it flat and it would look quite cool on the floor as well. So yeah, really pleased with those. So when I do decide where to put them, I'll definitely take a little snap and pop it over on Instagram so you can see how I end up styling those up, and I've got all the fluff all over my face now. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this little homeware haul. Let me know in the comments down below which item was your favourite. Is there any homeware stores you'd like me to visit soon to take you shopping with me? Let me know in the comments down below as well. Is there any that we haven't been to in a while? I'm always up for a bit of shopping, so let me know where you fancy. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Do give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, or if you're a returning viewer and you haven't subscribed already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.